The Xiaomi 17 Max is a new flagship model in the Xiaomi 17 series, expected to launch by late May 2026. Now appeared in China's 3C certification database with support for 100W fast charging. With massive 8000 mAh battery, this is the largest battery ever seen on a Xiaomi-branded smartphone. The Xiaomi 17 Max is not expected to feature a secondary rear display, which is currently available on the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Its rear design is said to be similar to that of the standard Xiaomi 17. The Xiaomi 17 Max is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. The Xiaomi 17 Max will feature a 200MP 1/1.4-inch Samsung HPX main sensor, a 50MP 1/1.95-inch Sony IMX8 series periscope telephoto unit, and another 50MP ultra-wide camera. The 17 Max could be unveiled in Q2 of this year and will feature the same Leica features as the other Xiaomi 17 series phones. It is expected to feature a large flat OLED display measuring either 6.8 inches or 6.9 inches, with ultra-thin bezels on all four sides, giving it a modern and immersive appearance, like the other 17 series models. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.